is always a tough match. People always think that it's going to be a walk along the park, but it's not. We lost in the first round against them, and hopefully it will be a different ending.
So di pa nga po nakakalimutan ni Coach Ryan Gregorio ang ginawa sa kanila ng Wellcoat. They won. Ito nga pong Wellcoat won that first meeting 110-103 last April 20. Kaya naman pong ayaw na maulit yung gusto bumawi. Gusto makagante. But against the Pure Foods TJ Giants, the Wellcoat is shooting well here in the first period. Nakalima na silang 3-point baskets.
Richard, 5 out of 6 from beyond the 3-point line ang pinupukol dito ng Wellcoat Dragons. Samantala ang Pure Foods at 2 of 4, not bad, 50%. Pero you can't beat 5 of 6.
Yun na nga eh. Especially me. So 5-point lead here for the Wellcoat Dragons.
Pure Foods sticking with that zone, no, Richard?
Kanina nagtao-tao na sila. Pero ito nga eh, kakaibang shooting nga ang pinapakita nitong Wellcoat. Jody Vance scoring another basket.
This is now the biggest lead of the ball game. It's a 7-pointer by the Wellcoat Dragons. Ito, meron pa bang steal?
Yes.
Nakuluyan na nga.
Nakakompleto na nga. Ito na si J.R. Reyes. Ang pangkaba ng bola. Binigay kay Bagyon. From the outside, that's too strong para kay Rob Wainwright. Rob Wainwright, kanina nakatres na to from the other end of the court. So balik dito ang bola sa Pure Foods. Under 2 minutes remaining in the first quarter. It has been a shootout. James Yap. Ryan Aranya naman na may assignment para wag dyan si James Yap. Cross-court pass. Ito ulit si Rico Villanueva. Quick turnaround. Wala pa rin. And Bagyon getting the ball off. So si Jondan Salvador.
Etong si Enrico Villanueva coming off a strong double-double performance in their last game versus the Coca-Cola Tigers after going scoreless in the first half.
Aranya, binigay kay Mark Isip. And itong bola, pinulot na lang ni Froilan Bagyon, setting up their offense again. Bagyon. J.R. Reyes. J.R. Reyes fades away. 3 seconds na lamang natitira doon that time sa kanilang shot clock. Chico Lanete bring down the leather. Looking for a teammate. Finds Raimundo. Titira ulit ng 3. Different result this time. Another offensive rebound dito para sa Pure Foods. This is Rico Villanueva working against Isip. Villanueva, pabangga-bangga dito kay Isip. And Villanueva missing on that one. Bola, babalik dito sa Wellcoat Dragons. 32.5 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter.
Alam mo, binabanggit sa atin ni Coach Caloy Garcia netong nakaraan na yung team pala niya, hindi na nila tinatignan yung team standings. They just want to work on every single game they gotta play and try to improve and maybe even cool off a few surprises.
Sa pag nagbabasa sila ng dyaryo, nakapikit lang sa team standings.
Diretso na sa body.
Ito naman from the outside. That is another PM3.
That is 6 of 8 now para dito sa Wellcoat Dragons and they extend this lead to 10, 30-20.
There's a whistle on the floor as Wellcoat takes a 10-point lead na nga because of the torrid outside shooting. Ito si Bagyon. Natawagan na kanya unang personal foul. 6.7 seconds na lamang ang natitira.
That was the last foul to give para sa Dragons. A very smart foul on the part of Bagyon.
Richard D. maglalawas ang bola. TJ Simon, 4 seconds to work on the shot. Simon goes up, kicks it out. Chico Lanete from the corner. And this is a good start para po dito sa Wellcoat Dragons. Looking to end their 5-game losing skid dito po sa ating Fiesta Conference. Torrid shooting coming from the Wellcoat Dragons here in the first quarter.